The truth is, I just dropped really hot, cute, sexy, adorable Instagram photos, and you should be there liking it. Like, I look like an Eskimo. Okay. Thank God, bestie, you answered this FaceTime call. I want to talk to you about something, and I don't know if you're going to be mad at me. I don't know if you're going to perceive it in the way that I mean it. And hopefully you can feel my heart's true intentions and the energy behind it. But listen, so you guys, bestie, you know that I have my mental problems, right? And this is exactly why I share my hard times on TikTok. I share my struggles, my bill struggle, my financial struggles, my hard times, my anxiety, my heartbreaks. Me not feeling good enough, struggles with family. This is why I share my story, so you guys can see that, hey, John Anthony can go through all this shit and, like, you know, feel better and manifest his dream life and work on becoming iconic, then so can I. And what I want to say is, like, hopefully this doesn't sound insensitive, and hopefully you can kind of feel what I'm trying to say in the best way possible. I'm someone that labeled themselves as depressed. I do. And I also believe in getting the help that you need. So if you feel like no amount of self-love practices, healing practices is helping your situation and you need something, do seek professional motherfucking help. I'm not here knocking therapy. I'm here advocating for your happiness and well-being. And if that, in getting professional help is that, get it. But what I'm about to say is, I found myself really clinging to the identity of someone that is depressed. That is just who John Anthony is because of his story of being bullied and hit for being gay. And then, you know, my disordered eating and not fitting in with the gay community and wanting to be loved by the gay community because I love them so much, because I love their courage and I want to fit in. And, you know, I just wish I was a little bit more accepted. So what I'm trying to say is, older John Anthony, like older version John Anthony, like past version John Anthony, he really just felt like the neglect, the loneliness, the not worthy enough, the poverty, the brokenness, the poor, the fat. He just thought that was who he was meant to be. And I was afraid to walk to the mailbox. I didn't want to do anything. I was just so sad. All I wanted to do was just literally bed rot before bed rotting was even, like, I just wanted to stare at the ceiling. I just couldn't. Like, I didn't want to live life. And, you know, as I'm going through hard things currently, you know, where I am currently right now in, like, my stage of life, I'm just realizing that I think we cling on to the label of being depressed too strongly because of what we've been through in our past. And I'm making this video to tell you that your past, your future does not have to look like your past. I'm nailing that into your brain right now, that your future is not going to look like your past. You are going to shock yourself on how amazing your present and your future is going to be. And I promise you, I know that the universe and God, Jesus, the world gave you reasons in the past to be depressed about, but I need you to remember this. The past does not exist anymore. And we get to choose now in each and every present moment who we are being, and you get to choose happiness. And sometimes this does take the Gaslight 3000, as my new favorite TikToker says. Hopefully, I put it right here. Like, sometimes, and when I say hopefully, it's because, like, I'm lazy. I just want to get this up as quick as possible. So hopefully I remember to actually type it. I love that she says the Gaslight 3000. It's like basically what I do, right? It's like, and when I say the gaslight, it's like I have to, like, force myself to smile, because at the end of the day, we deserve happiness. We deserve this good life. And the reason why we're not used to smiling, or the reason why we're so used to mean mugging it and just coming off unapproachable and being cranky and miserable and having that written all over our faces, is because we feel like our life's just meant to look like their past. And I'm able to pick up on that with people too, because I work at a gym right now and I see a plethora of, like, different types of people and blah. And when I get, like, a rude person, I can intuitively feel like they just feel like their life is doomed, meaning like their life is just meant to be unfulfilling, like every day in their past was. But that is not true. So as someone that is coming from a very fucked up past, I'm really believing that he's just meant to be miserable, fat, ugly, and poor, and not worthy of love for his whole entire life. Like, I was walking around very sad, and so I, as of lately, have been learning, like, no, I have to teach myself how to smile. So yes, I've been gaslighting myself into just smiling more. And it might look a little bit crazy, you know, because I'm, like, in the shower, like, but the truth is, because I was so clinging to the label of sad, depressed, and a bitch and cranky, I forgot how to smile. So I had to gaslight myself into smiling. And a byproduct of smiling more and making a conscious effort to be happy and smile more and to look for the gratitude in little moments and every moment, and realizing that every moment is truly divine, I started to feel good and my thoughts were better. Babe, so what I'm trying to say is, yes, you were sad, you have been through hell, but the power and the truth is this: you have the power to choose happiness in each and every moment, to choose who you're identifying as. So let go of the past. You are not depressed, you're happy. You're not depressed, you're happy. And I know it can sound like I'm gaslighting you, but you have to tell yourself that you're happy. And again, I know that some people need professional help, so that's gonna help you be happy. Go do that, but you know what I mean. Hopefully the people, you resonate with my soul and you see that I'm really trying to, you get what I'm really trying to say here. I'm not trying to like gaslight your experiences. Trust me, I've been through it. Disordered eating, being hit with belts for being gay, having male figures in my life talk shit about me on Facebook for being gay publicly and being bullied for being gay. I get it. But I don't know, I just had this realization, it just felt like one day I had this realization that, wait, I'm choosing to be sad now. Yes, it's not my fault what happened in the past, but the truth is, I have the power to take back my emotional well-being. No one has the power anymore to dictate how I feel. And I'm just allowing myself to live in the past. I get to choose to be happy now. And like I said, I forced myself to smile. I forced myself to feel happy, to tap into the energy of gratitude, because another truth is every moment that we're living is divine and perfect and a miracle. So I do have a reason to be grateful. Even if I don't have the car, the boyfriend, the money, the career, the 1 million yet, I have this heart motherfucking beat. And that within itself is the only thing that really truly matters, is how we make people feel, the fact that we're alive. So please, just try it for maybe like a week. Smile a little bit more and remember, like, no, I'm not depressed. I'm happy. Try for at least 7 days and then you can come back and yell at me and say it didn't work. But I just really want to nail it again one more time before I end this video, that I'm not like bashing on therapy. I'm telling you, like, if you feel like you need to get therapy, because that will literally help you. But hopefully, I'm just scared to upload this video because like I don't want it to sound like you're not depressed, because I know that people told me that, and I really hope you guys like can feel what I truly mean. Okay, but I love you so much. I gotta hang up this FaceTime call now. But before we go, give me a hug. Give me a kiss. And if anyone didn't ever tell you enough today or in your life, you're perfect. You're doing amazing, and you're on track. And I love you. Bye, bestie.